Good evening, you're watching the news now with me, Rishu Panita. Let's move to today's top headlines.
Former Union Minister and Jammu and Kashmir Governor Jagmohan, whose tough measures as an administrator in various roles won him many admirers but also drew criticism from some quarters, passed away following a spell of illness. He was 93. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, President Ramnath Kovind, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tributes. Jammu and Kashmir recorded its biggest single-day spike with 4,650 fresh COVID cases, taking the tally to 1,91,869, even as 37 fatalities over the last 24 hours took the toll to 2,458. Out of the fresh cases, 1,463 were from Jammu Division and 3,187 from Kashmir Division of the Union Territory. The Jammu and Kashmir administration extended the ongoing corona curfew in 4 districts of Union Territory, including the twin capital cities of Srinagar and Jammu, till the morning of May 10th. The curfew was also extended to Samba district of Jammu region. In the view of rising number of COVID positive cases, the government in daily routine is trying to find out several measures to fight against the pandemic. But as per the reports, in many hospitals, ventilators purchased under Prime Minister Care Fund are biting dust due to the shortage of trained staff required to handle the machine. The mortality rate in Srinagar has surged 1%, which was 0.25% in the February month. An official said that with 3,500 to 5,000 COVID tests a day, the district records an average of around 1,000 COVID positive cases on daily basis. While as in the month of February, 1,500 to 2,000 tests were conducted in a day, with an average of around 30 to 40 positive cases in a day. 2 Lashkar-e-Taiba militants, including a foreigner, were killed in an encounter while ensured after security forces launched a cordon and search operation in the Apple township of Sopore in North Kashmir district of Baramulla. 2 people were killed and 12 others injured in 2 separate accidents in Jammu Kashmir Doda Kishtwar district. BCCI Vice President Rajiv Shukla clarified that IPL 2021 season has been postponed, not cancelled. Earlier in the day, the 14th edition of Indian Premier League was suspended due to COVID outbreak into its bio bubble. Government has said that about 65% more wheat has been procured during current Rabi marketing season in comparison to the period last year. Consumer Affairs Ministry said that procurement of wheat is continuing smoothly in the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir and Bihar at minimum support price. Deputy Commissioner Samba, Mrs. Anuradha Gupta, today visited the fire victim families of Gujjar community at Ramgarh district Samba, where 14 sheds got damaged in an fire incident. The press conference was organized by Bahujan Samaj Party Jammu Kashmir UT President Somraj Malhotra, in which he said that the way the corona epidemic has taken a terrible shape, in the wake of this, all representatives of the present government are among the people in this epidemic. The problem will have to be solved by descending, and the problems that the people are facing will not be solved by sitting at home. Senior separatist leader and chairman Tariq-e-Hurriyat Mohammad Ashraf Sehrai passes away at Government Medical College Jammu. As we all know, people are in panic due to insufficient supply of oxygen, which has risen the death rate in the state. I&C Department Jammu established a 24/7 oxygen war room at Udyog Bhavan Rail Head Complex here to monitor and manage the supply and distribution of oxygen within Jammu Division. Madhur Anand Jr. KAS has been nominated as a nodal officer for the control room, and the concerned public has been advised to contact the same numbers 9469593931 and 9469593933 in case of emergency. Even the war room will be in constant touch with the consumer and suppliers of the oxygen and will take immediate necessary steps whenever needed.
Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned with the news now.